This video, I would like to show the power of a contract, an options contract. So this is how options contracts work, okay? So as you see to the left here, we are on the TradingView stock chart platform, and we have Netflix up, okay? This is the daily time frame. As you see, Netflix is in some type of pattern here. This is called a bull flag pattern, okay? So when you see a bull flag pattern, I'm going to show you what you should expect to see. I'm going to show you what you should expect to happen from a bull flag pattern. Okay, so 9 out of 10 times when a stock chart is showing falling wedge pattern, okay, and this is what you can anticipate from a falling wedge pattern. Where are you? Okay, let's go. Okay, falling wedge pattern. So you can anticipate something like this, okay, from a falling wedge pattern, okay. As you see here, anticipate a breakup, a breakout, okay. So why I show you this is, okay, so you see this, a breakup. So why I show you this is because Netflix is in that pattern, okay? So I saw this on, so here to the right is a saved Netflix contract. I saved this contract on August 8th, right here, as you see, order saved, August 8th, August 7th, sorry. I saved a Netflix 1220 call. So I said Netflix will go to $1,220 by August 29th. Okay, when I saved that contract on August 7th, they were asking $1,550 for that contract. Okay, that's what they was asking, and that was August 7th, here, right here, this day, right here, August 7th, right here. Let's highlight that. August 7th, they were asking, on August 7th, right here. That contract was, what time? That was 5:40 after market, and that was Thursday, okay, Thursday. They were asking $1,550 for that contract, okay. When I went back to check that saved contract, I checked it Friday after market, we were here, $1,212, 1,200, I think it went up to $1,200 and maybe $17. That contract now would have been able to sell it for $2,580. As you can see, the going bid price for you to sell a contract was $2,580, and the ask price, the current ask price for that same contract was now, they were asking $2,800. So in the course of a day, in less than 8 hours, that $1,550 contract would have almost doubled for you to get a double on your money. I mean, 100% of your money, okay? So that's the power of stock options contracts, all right? And again, Netflix still gonna go up. It's going to go up. When it come back down, we'll catch the retest here at the 1202 area for that same 12, maybe 1240 call. Okay, so I'll be looking at that. All right, but I just wanted to show you the power of a stock options contract. All right, thank you.